In this video I will explain how to install the TVI license. On the first time you launch the TVI, you'll be prompted to get a license. If you don't have a license, you have 30 days for evaluation. In the event that you click on the get the license, you will get this interface where you have to get a request for a license. You have two tabs here, request for license or install license. What I usually do, I go to request license, fill in the company name, sender name, mail, phone, and just putting any information, and then create a file. Create a file. Let's put the file onto the desktop. We want a TXT file. Now you get this TXT file on the desktop. You have to take this file and to email this file to us, to TowerJazz, and we will return with a license. That again, the license is a unique file. That what you can do with that is you go into the folder. I'll show you how to install it. You go to the TestView Integrator, Software, Licenses, Other Licenses. You see that on this PC I already have a license. You have two options. The easiest option is just to take the file that we provide you and just you paste it here. Once you paste it here, that's it. You can launch the TVI. You don't have to do anything else. The other thing is you can double click on the TVI License Manager and install license and copy it from the location, from any location on the PC, and what it will do, it will take the file that you have and it will paste it here. So again, I think the best is once you get a LIC file, just take and paste it here in this directory. TestView Integrator, Software, Licenses, paste it here and start the TVI.